The fastest reward apps let you create an account, confirm your email, complete a basic profile, and start earning within minutes instead of making you work through long registration forms before you see a single offer. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps with straightforward sign-up processes and how to get started without wasting time. First is Freecash. Creating an account takes only a few basic steps, and once your email is verified, you can browse games, surveys, app offers, and other earning opportunities. Completing your profile early helps unlock more relevant offers, so don't skip that step after registration. Next is Scrambly. Scrambly keeps registration simple and guides new users directly to available offers after account creation. You can choose between games, app testing, and online tasks without navigating through complicated menus. Before starting an offer, read the requirements carefully so every completed task tracks correctly. Third is Mistplay. Mistplay is designed for Android users who want to earn rewards by discovering new mobile games. After creating your account and setting up your profile, you can install featured games and begin earning points through gameplay milestones. Keeping the app updated helps ensure your progress is recorded properly. Fourth is Cash Giraffe. Cash Giraffe focuses on rewarded gaming with a simple onboarding process that gets users to available games quickly. Once you're registered, you can browse featured titles and choose the games with the highest available rewards. Checking the featured section regularly helps you find new earning opportunities as they're added. Finally, there's JustPlay. JustPlay allows users to start earning by playing supported mobile games after completing a quick account setup. The app is built around a simple interface, making it easy to see available games and reward progress without searching through multiple menus. Enable notifications if you want to stay informed about newly added games. A simple sign-up process doesn't mean you should skip reading the platform's rules. Before spending time on any app, review the payout methods, supported countries, and reward requirements. Spending a few extra minutes upfront can prevent problems when it's time to redeem your earnings. To sum up, Freecash and Scrambly combine several earning methods with easy registration. Mistplay and Cash Giraffe make rewarded gaming simple to start, and JustPlay offers a clean experience for mobile players. Choose the platform that matches the way you prefer to earn, complete your profile accurately, and begin with the highest value offers available. If this video helped you find a reward app that's easy to join, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other guides on legitimate money-making apps for 2026.